Hello friends, how are you? I am Kumar Sanoj. Today I will teaching Geography, NCERT, Class 6 of Geography. The first chapter of this book is Earth in Solar System. First of all, I would want to describe the word geography. The father of geography called Eratosthenes, because he first described in his article the word geography. Do you know the word geography origin from Greek word G plus graphia, and G means earth and graphia means written. It means geography is a science geography is a science which describe about earth. Just G plus metria called geometry. Geometry means measurement of earth, and it is also called cartography, map making. G plus geoid. Geoid means shape of the earth. Just same G plus logia, geology. Geology in Hindi called भूगर्भ विज्ञान, a study about internal earth. So now in this topics, first you teach about how the word origin. Mostly word in geography origin from Greek, French, etc. So geography means the science which study about the earth. Now I will read in geography the chapter solar system. What is solar system? Solar system is made by two words, solar and system. It is also called solar family. In Roman mythology, solar means sun god, and system means their functions. So solar system came from word sol, which means sun. The sun is chief of solar family or solar system, and Earth is a member of solar family. Now you can understand in this graph, in this diagram, Earth. Earth is a part of our solar system, and the solar system is a part of galaxy, and galaxy is a part of यूनिवर्स. जिस तरह से आप देख सकते हैं कि कोई भी व्यक्ति अपने परिवार का एक सदस्य होता है. द अर्थ जस्ट लाइक अ मेंबर ऑफ हिज सोलर फैमिली, एंड द सोलर फैमिली इज अ पार्ट ऑफ गैलेक्सी, एंड द गैलेक्सी इज अ पार्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्स. इट मीन्स यूनिवर्स इज ह्यूज कलेक्शन of galaxy, and the galaxy is huge collection of stars, and the solar system is made by sun, 8 planets, satellites, and all celestial bodies. So solar system is a collection of sun, planets, satellites. Sun means you can say stars, planets, satellite, and all celestial bodies. Do you know celestial bodies? Celestial bodies in Hindi called खगोलीय पिंड. At night, in a sky, all littered objects are called celestial bodies. Now in this diagram you can observe the relation of Earth or solar system in universe. Okay? Now I will study about differences in stars, planet, satellites. Stars, all those objects or all those celestial body which has own heat and light. No heat and light, no heat and light. Example, sun is also a star. Planet example, 8 planets like Earth, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, etc. Satellite, moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth, and many more satellites of different planets, Earth. Moves around the sun, and the satellites move around their own planet. By this diagram you can understand the planets, satellites and stars. Just like it is sun and Earth. Earth revolve on orbit and move around the sun, and the moon revolve on their orbit around the earth. So sun is called a star, earth is called planet, and moon is called satellite. Location of stars. There are two types. We can read the location of stars according to distance from the sun and according to their size. First of all, distance from sun. It is sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. All these are planets. For easy learn, you can take a trick. My very educated mother just serves us nuts. The first word of each word recognize the different planets. M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, and N for Neptune. All these satellites move on their orbit around the sun. Now can see here, the Pluto crosses the orbit of Neptune. On August 2006, International Astronomer Union said that the Pluto crosses the Neptune's orbit, so Pluto is not a planet. Now Pluto is called dwarf planet. It means after 2006, the planets redefined by International Astronomer Union, and a new things added in their definition is which cannot crosses the orbit of their neighboring planet. जो अपने नेबरिंग प्लैनेट के ऑर्बिट को क्रॉस नहीं करे, that is called planet. So you understand differences between stars, planet and satellites. Stars are fixed, planet and satellites are movable. They moves on axis and on orbit. When they move on axis, that motion is called rotation, and when they move on their orbit, that is called revolution. Now I will read about celestial bodies. Anything in universe is called celestial bodies. Everything. Some are big and some are small in size. Celestial bodies like constellation. What is constellation? Constellation, group of fixed stars in fixed pattern. अगर फिक्स पैटर्न में ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स अगर रिप्रेजेंट होते रहते हैं तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? कॉन्स्टेलेशन. Constellations like Ursa Major, also called Big Bear. Ursa Minor, a small bear, or Saptarishi. Why it called Saptarishi? Because of its pattern. There are group of 7 stars. सप्तर्षि, 7 ऋषि, 7 sages, or group of 7 stars in a fixed pattern. The Saptarshi is a part of Big Bear. Very important question. Saptarshi is a part of Big Bear, means Ursa Major, but Saptarshi is a small bear. You can identify pole star. Pole star, जिसे हम ध्रुव तारा भी कहते हैं, पोल स्टार, या आल्सो कॉल्ड नॉर्थ स्टार. When any person looks from Earth and front to a star of the Saptarshi, the most lighted stars is called pole star. Always locate in the north, so also it is called north star. In ancient time, there is no compass and they do journey, so they use pole star as recognized direction. In constellation, you understand constellation? Constellation is a group of fixed stars in a fixed pattern. Example is Ursa Major, also called Big Bear, Ursa Minor or Small Bear, or Saptarshi. Saptarshi is a part of Big Bear and pole star recognized by the Saptarshi. In celestial bodies, asteroid. What is asteroid? Asteroid are rock materials, debris, gases, dusts found between Mars and Jupiter orbits. There are three terms about asteroid. First, tiny rock, also called debris. Dust particles found between orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Move around the sun. There are three significant about the asteroids. In this solar system, you can recognize as Sun, Mars, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. All has own orbit on which they revolve around the Sun. The Mars and Jupiter. The asteroids found between Mars and Jupiter and revolve around the Sun. So this belt, the orbit between the space between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter is called asteroid belt. All the materials, objects found between Mars and Jupiter are called asteroid. So it is called asteroid belt. Okay. Next, meteoroid. Meteoroid is a material which fall down towards the earth. Any stars, after some time, they blast, and if attracted by the gravitational force of the earth, they come towards the earth. Earth is surrounded by their atmosphere and the mesosphere in their atmospheric layer. Mesosphere is the middle layer of the atmosphere. When they moves and come towards the earth, by the friction of the air, they light it and burn. When they burn, they seems from the earth. Meteor are found in mesosphere. They are a smaller in size. They are smaller in size. Whenever sometimes they falls on earth's surface due to large size. Due to large size, they sometimes falls on the earth's surface. That is called meteorite. Do you difference between meteor and meteorite? Both are meteorite. Meteor and meteorite both are meteorite, but meteor are seems in mesosphere and meteorite when they falls over the surface. When they fall down the earth surface, they form a big ditches. After some time, they convert into lake. For example, Lonar Lake in Maharashtra. Lonar Lake in Maharashtra are the example of meteorite lakes. Meteor shower. Many more. When falls and burns in mesosphere, that situation is called meteor shower. A smaller in size and more in numbers. ढेर सारे जलते हुए अगर गिरते हैं तो मेटियोर और स्मॉलर साइज का यहीं से यहीं तक ट्रेवल करते हुए इसी सो मेटेओराइट आल्सो कॉल्ड शूटिंग स्टार. Question can be asked, shooting star is called meteorite or meteor. Okay. The next is comet. What is comet? Comet are far away from sun. Comet are icy, a small solar system bodies. Comets are icy, small solar system bodies. They revolve around the sun. When they reaches near the sun, due to temperature of the sun evaporated, due to in a speed the vapor goes backside, that forms their tail, and the solid part called head. इसीलिए इसे हिंदी में पुच्छल तारा कहते हैं, because it has tail. Comet are an icy, a small solar system bodies which moves around the sun, has head and tail. In last, we will read about planet. Planet. The word planet, English word planet, origin from Greek word planetai. Planetai means wanderers. Wanderers means movable, revolve. Revolve around the sun. All the planets revolve around the sun. That is called planet. Why the planet name it? Because the planet word came from the Greek word planetai. Planetai means wanderers, and the all planet move around the sun. So it is called planet. Types of planet. There are two types of planet. Inner planet and outer planet. Inner planet also called terrestrial planet and outer planet also called gaseous planet. Inner planet, the planet which are near from the sun, just Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These four is called inner planet. And outer planet, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. That are called outer planet, because inner and outer due to location or distance from the sun. The nearest four is called inner and the farthest four is called outer. Why they called terrestrial? Because it made up of rock particles. It is made up of rock particles. And the gaseous because it made up of different gases. According to size, location of planets, all the outer planets are larger in size. So J, S, U, N, E, V, M, Mercury. According to size, Jupiter is the largest planet and Mercury is the smallest planet. According to distance from the sun, Earth is on third place, while according to size, the Earth is on fifth place. It is the differences of size and their location. So now I ended this chapter because of large videos. Thank you. Stay at home.